the students of DDSC Garchen Children's Practice present to you a play that is based on a story told by Shakyamuni Buddha over 2,600 years ago.
There was once a big, strong monkey who was the leader of a group of monkeys, so he was called the Monkey King. They lived by a river where there was a big mango tree with the sweetest, most tasty mangoes that they loved to eat.
One day, a mango fell into the river. It floated all the way down the river to where a king and his advisors were sitting on the riverbank.
Hey, what kind of fruit is this?
It's a mango, sire.
Here, try it. See what it tastes like.
It's delicious. Here, sire, have some.
It's so sweet and tasty. I've never had anything like it. We must find the tree where it came from and get some more.
The king and his advisors walked along the riverbank and looked carefully for a mango tree.
Look, that tree has mangoes on it.
Yes, it is as sweet as the mango we found in the river.
Delicious! Hey, those monkeys are gonna eat all the mangoes. Shoot them so they can't escape. Then we can have our mangoes with monkey meat.
God, oh my God, they're gonna shoot us.
Don't worry, I'll save you.
Looked across the river, knowing that was their only escape. He thought, how could they get across the river? It's so deep and wide they couldn't jump across. He didn't think he could jump across either, but he must do everything he can to save them. He broke a long piece of soft bamboo and tied one end to a large root on the riverbank and tied the other end around his body.
Then he ran and made a huge jump using all his strength to reach all the way across the river. He grabbed a root with his hands so his body stretched across the river like a bridge.
Each of you, walk along my back to the other side of the river.
One monkey named Devadatta watched each monkey go across. His mind was full of criticism.
Why is she carrying that baby? She should make that baby walk by itself.
Don't worry, hold tight, little one. Your mother will get you across safely.
Oh, it's not silly. Why should she be safe? No one wants to deal with her nonsense.
Come across, it's okay. Walk along my back to the other side of the river. Come, walk across, it's okay. Please join us. It's okay. Walk along my back.
You're walking so slow. Come on, grandmas, you're taking too long.
Here, take your time. I'll help you. Here, hold my hand. Please join us. Walk along my back.
Many monkeys had walked over the Monkey King's back. One by one, the Monkey King's arms and hands ached and cramped from gripping onto the root, and his back got terribly sore from the weight of all those monkeys stepping on it.
Oh, King, Mr. Guy wants to be so nice to everyone. A chance to get rid of him. Let's see Mr. Nice Guy now. Ha!
The king had watched how the Monkey King rescued the whole group of monkeys, how he patiently allowed each and every monkey to step on his back to cross the river, and how he got badly hurt when Davidal jumped hard on his back. The king thought, this animal not worrying about his own life brought his whole group to safety. It's not right to kill this king of the monkeys. We must take care of him.
You made your body into the bridge so the monkeys could safely cross the river. Who are you to them and who are they to you?
Good king, I am the king of the monkeys. I am their chief. They were scared of you, so I let them walk along the back to the other side of the river. I only want them to be happy. To be a leader, you must make sure all are happy and treat each and one with loving kindness and compassion.
The king honored the Monkey King for the rest of his life, remembering that he was an example to all, with a pure mind that puts love and compassion to action. From this story, we learned that we can be compassionate and selfless, and that we cannot have compassion when we have judgmental and critical thoughts. It is by eliminating our judgmental and critical thoughts and replacing them with kind and loving thoughts that we can develop our compassion and loving kindness.
Okay, thank you for coming to see our presentation, which is sponsored by Garchen Children's Program here. We have wonderful instructors, Miss Lisa. Also, Miss Fawn helping us tremendously there in the back. And we have younger folks, Tiziana. And Sophia has been helping us. All right, helping in the back today. All right, I just want to... oh, me? Oh, don't worry about me. Okay, let's come on.
And also thank you to all the parents who are so devoted and drive them to the temple and to the program every single Sunday. I mean, you know, we cannot do it without you, with your support, so thank you. And Kempo will always, you know, be the guidance.
Yes, just thank you for everyone for being here and for being patient with us as we prepared our play. The kids have worked very hard to prepare this over the past few months. So they're actually putting their dharmic lesson into practice by practicing for the play and exercising patience and discipline and diligence and loving kindness and compassion. So they've been really putting all this into practice as we prepare for this play. So I thank them for all their patience and all their hard work, as well as the parents who have wonderfully supported us to do this.